Video tutorial to explain how to use drama activities in the lesson plan. In this video, it is going to be explained how the drama activities were integrated into a drama-based lesson. Target audience and context is for A1 level. Class size is 20 to 30. Class length is 40 minutes. Topic is Cinderella and clothes. Warm-up mirroring. Each student has to find a partner because the children have to work in pairs. The teacher chooses one partner of a particular group to start doing various motions. Each child chooses a certain motion to show to their partner. The child can kick, move their arms, spin around, jump, or do any other motions. The child's partner will try to mirror their motions. And they switch after 2 minutes. Working group. Beauties. The students are split into groups. Each group receives a puzzle. Students have to do the puzzle and they have to find what thing the groups have in common. Reading the story. Ask the students what they already know about the story of Cinderella. Give the students a paper with the story and have them take turns reading it. Everyone has to read one part of the story. Frozen picture. Have the students form groups. Each group creates a frozen picture of the key moment in the story. Everyone needs to know what role they are in. The teacher can touch someone in the frozen picture, and then he or she speaks their thoughts aloud from the role. Prepared improvisation. Students work in small groups. They have to make and present a small continuation to the story. Cinderella and the Prince after 5 years. Cinderella, the Prince, a few servants, and Fairy Godmother are the main characters in each group. Students need to find out and present what has been happening in their lives during the last 5 years.